Greetings, welcome to FastJob job application portal. This application is divided into three parts: admin, recruiter, and the candidate. First, we'll explore the candidate section. Click on the sign in or create account button. Uh, let's start with creating an account for the candidate. Hit create an account. Now, fill out this form fields. I'm just putting some random information to demonstrate you this app. Alright, their professional experience. Now choose email address and password. Okay, now hit the sign up, and we have successfully signed up for a candidate profile. Let's sign in, log in, email address, log in. All right. Now, in candidate sections, there are several features for the candidate. For example, click here, and you can see that the candidate can see their profile, edit profile, view applied jobs, and also the job interview invitations. Let's start with editing the profile first. All right. So we initially took some information from the candidate, and now the candidate can update it even more. So the personal field are already provided by the candidate. Click on education and create a new section to add more details. Add more. You can take as much as fields as you want. Then employment, click add more. All right. Now click update profile, and we can see the update profile here. Now we can do another thing, which is add a picture for the candidate, of course. Choose file, choose the picture, update, and the candidate picture is updated here, and you can see all the updated information on the details page of the candidate. Now it's time to apply for some jobs, and then we'll come back to this candidate profile and check out more. Let's browse some jobs. Click any one of the category here, and according to that category, there is only one job in this portal right now, but we can use the filter and we will get more. We can filter by categories, or we can filter by locations. All right, let's apply for this job. Click view details, apply now, hit apply now, and we are automatically redirected to the jobs apply by candidate page, where a candidate can look up to the jobs they have already applied for. The candidate can also check out the job they applied for. Click here, and they can see the job details again. They can see the company profile. All right. So this is all about the candidate profile for now. We can also check more for my invitations after we do some invitation from the employer profile. Click log out. Now we'll be logging as employer. Log in. Now we have logged in as an employer now. An employer can see several things. They can edit their profile, post a job, and the jobs they have already created. Let's click here, and these are the jobs created by this particular employer. Now the employer can do a few more things from this page, like uh, they can edit the job, of course, see the details, delete the job, or one more interesting feature is that the employer is able to check which candidates applied for one particular job. Like if we want to check for the job HR manager senior 2, click on candidate list, and here the employer can see the list of candidates applied for the particular job. The details of the job can be seen from here, and there is this button you can see that says invitation complete. It's because the invitation already sent to the candidate from here. Let's find the job from the list where the employer did not send the invitation already. Okay, here you can see we have got one user, one candidate who applied, and we did not make an invitation yet. Click on invite candidate, and the invitation is complete. The employer can post a job. Click post a job. Let's post a job for now. Fill out all the fields. I'm being a little quick about the details, so that I can do the demonstration properly. You can of course modify this information as your likings. Okay, now click post a job, and the job is posted, which can be found here. The last one, assistant network engineer. And if you check the candidate list now, the page is empty. It's because no candidate has applied for this job yet, because we have just created it now. Now, what we can do is that sign into candidate profile again. We will now use an existing candidate profile, maybe this one, login. Here we can see my invitations. Click here, and these are the invitations the candidate will receive from the employer. When an employer receives a particular candidate for a particular job, this is how it looks like from the candidate end. The candidate also can see the company profile, the job details, of course. So this is the details page. So these are pretty much everything, but we have a little more still to explore. We can see the search option here. Type engineer, hit enter, and you will see the matching job posts. Okay, we can see the apply now button, but this can only be seen if you are logged in as a candidate. As you are logged in as candidate right now, this is why we can see the apply now button, else it will be invisible. Right, and these two section here, recent jobs and most applied jobs, these two section generated the jobs based on, if we talk about recent jobs, then the most recently updated jobs are shown here, whereas most applied jobs are shown based on number, the total number of the jobs were applied by the all candidates. So these are what pretty much about the employer and candidate section. Now the last part is we will log in as an admin and see what admin can do of this in this portal. Log out. Sorry. Alright, so we are logged in as an admin. Now, admin or the super user can do everything on this portal. They have access to each and every module. Like the admin can manage jobs. It means the admin can see all the job posted in this portal, edit them, did you see the details, and the job is edited successfully. See the details, even delete the jobs, then manage candidates, see all the candidates, the list of candidates, edit them, delete them, see the list of employers, edit them, see the details. Also the locations. So categories and locations are what we take input beforehand, so that the employer or candidate simply choose from the categories and location list. So these two lists are actually made by the admin, and these are visible on employer and candidate profile form. So these are pretty much about everything on this portal. Thank you for watching.